Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 10.2 question number 1. Construct a triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. Right? Let us draw the triangle. Let us draw the triangle. First of all, you have to take one rough estimate of this triangle. Let us draw a triangle such that it is XYZ. Let us draw a triangle, rough triangle like this, right? XYZ, YZ, X, Y and Z. Here is YZ equal to 5 centimeter, XZ or ZX equal to 6 centimeter and XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter. X equal to 4.5 centimeter. Let us draw this triangle with the help of compass and scale. Let us draw. First of all, what you have to do, take a ruler first. Let us take a ruler. Here we are taking the ruler, right? You have to draw a line that is 5 centimeter. YZ is 5 centimeter. Let us draw a line 5 centimeter. Let us draw a line 5 centimeter. That is, here we are taking 5 centimeter, 4.8, 4.9, 5 centimeter. Where we have taken a line that is measures 5 centimeter, right? And the name of this line is YZ. Let us take this is as YZ. This is Y. This is Z. And this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now you have to take another line. This is YZ, XZ 6 centimeter and XY 4.5 centimeter, so that you get a triangle. Let us take a compass. Here we have taken a compass here, right? With this compass we will measure the length. We have to take 6 centimeter. Let us take 6 centimeter. This is exactly, here you see, this is exactly 6 centimeter, right? Now with this pointer, putting this pointer at the point Z, we draw an arc here. We draw putting this pointer at this point, at point Z, we draw an arc here. Right? Now we take XY 4.5 centimeter. Let us take another measurement, that is 4.5 centimeter. Let us take another measurement, that is 4.5 centimeter. Take this pointer at 0. Take this pointer at 0. You have taken 0 and this pointer at 4.5 centimeter. Take this as 4.5. Here you see 4.5 is 4.5, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. Yes, it is 4.5 centimeter, right? Now take this pointer at the point Z, Y, right? And take another arc. Take this pointer at Y and make another arc here. right? Now, with the help of scale, join the line. With the help of this scale, join the line. With the help of this line, join the line. Now, with the help of this line, with this scale, join the line. Right? And also, join this line also. Let us take, let us join this line. Now, the name of this point is x. This is x. This is x, y, this is z. And we have taken xz as 6 centimeter, and xy as 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. This is the required angle, and we have used here the side criterion to draw this triangle. Side criterion. We use side criterion to draw this triangle. Okay, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.